Hi, I'm Joe Kochevar, and I'm here with my partner, Ankeet Mutha. And we're here to explain our Modcon final semester project, and this is what we made. So it starts off with this mechanical system, which has a laser pointer on top and two photodiodes that are actually mounted inside here. And the way this system works is that these two photodiodes pick up light and turn it into a current. And what we've wired is in here, we have these current opposing each other. So we have one diode having the positive wired to ground and the other with a negative wired to ground. And they both produce this current which drops across these two resistors and essentially just finds out it adds them together. And if it's above 0, we know that there's more light on one side, and if it's below 0, we know that there's more light on the other side. And then after we take that, we buffer it so that there's no voltage loading, and then we send it through a low-pass filter so that any ambient light in the room should be filtered out, and any small changes. So it's basically taking the really high frequencies of change in this light out of our system. Then after that, we have another process and more circuit components to actually interface with the motor.
Yeah, so we have a controller right here, and basically what it does is it takes in the current and sees if it's positive or negative and reacts accordingly. If it's positive, it will tell our motor to turn one way towards wherever there is towards the positive diode, and if it's negative, it'll tell it to turn towards the negative diode, so that our system here will turn the correct way and it will point the laser pointer the correct way. Here there's a pot we have that will control the frequency and how fast the motor will change, so we have it set at a value which is pretty comfortable. After that, we also go through another buffer just so that it's a nice steady current and voltage that we want, easy to control. And then it goes to our motor back here. Looking at this, it's a very simple system. We just have a motor hooked up. On top is the two photodiodes. Actually, we can remove this and show the two photodiodes, which are right here. They're inside there, but that's part of them. And the laser here is on top, so this is our Lego robot with a laser pointer taped on top, and we can demonstrate it to you right now. So I'm going to go turn off the lights, and we're going to use
just a headlamp.
Yeah, headlamp to demonstrate this. Okay, so Joe is walking over there with the headlamp right now, and you can see the headlamp. The laser is now on and pointed at Joe. So right over there, Joe is walking, and the laser pointer is following Joe, kind of. Yes, it's following Joe. See how the laser pointer, wherever the light is, it keeps on trying to go closer. It oscillates wildly if the light points directly at the laser pointer, because it's trying to figure out which one has more or less light coming to it. And yeah, it's amazing. It follows light. And Joe is doing a dance right now, which you can't see, but you can see the light moving and the laser following him. So that is all. Good night. Goodbye.
Thank you for watching. Happy Modconning. 3:53, I think we're good.
Okay.
Yes. Oh, done with that project. Well, except for the